Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Let's start with our exercise 7b of D1 sequence and series. Question number 1. Find the formula for general term of the following sequence. There are 4 sequences given. Let's start with the first sequence. First sequence is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. So we have to write the formula. Since if we see closely, 7 is 6 plus 1, 13 is 6 multiplied with 2, 12, 12 plus 1, next is 19, 19 is 6 multiplied with 3 plus 1, and 25 is 6 multiplied with 4 plus 1. So in general we can write the formula as Tn, general term of n. This sequence is equal to 6 times of n, that is number of term. If we see the first term 6n, we put 1 in n. 6 multiplied with 1 is 6 plus 1, so we add plus 1 here. Now we check the second term. Second term is 13, n is 2, 2 times of 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, now third term 6 multiplied with 3, 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 and so on. So this is our required formula. We have to analyze closely of the given sequence to formulate the formula. Part B, 60, 67, 74, 81. So if we see closely, okay, the difference is 7, so we multiply our first term, let's say 7n, and what is the first term? 7n, let's say 7n. For first term 7n is 1, 7 plus, for to make 60 we have to add 53. Now second term 2 times of 7 is 14, 14 plus 53 is 67. For third term 3 times 7 is 21, 21 plus 53 is 74 and so on. So this is our required formula for this sequence. Part C, -4, -1, 2, 5. So what is the difference there? Is 3. So we write 3n. So 3 times of 1 is 3. So what makes -4 for first term? If we subtract -7 from first term, this to make it -4. So 3n minus 7. For second term 3 times 2 is 6, 6 minus 7 is -1. Okay. For third term 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2. So it qualifies our sequence, so it is our required formula. Part D, 14, 11, 8, 5. So what is the difference there? -3. So -3n. First term is 14. For if you put n is equal to 1, so -3, what should we add for making it 14? Plus 17. This is our required formula. Now moving to the question number 2, that is given that nth term of a sequence, the general formula is given, Tn is equal to 2n plus 5. Then find the value of fifth term, 8th term and LCM of 5th and 8th term. So for fifth term we put the value of 5 for n, so that n Tn is equal to 2 times of 5 plus 5. 2 times of 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So our fifth term will become 15. Now 8th term, Tn is equal to 2 times of, we put the value of 8 instead of n. 2 times of 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So our 8th term is 21. And if we took the LCM of 21 and 15, that is 5th and 8th term, what we get? 15, 21. And 7 times 5 is 35. 35 times 3 is 105. So our LCM of 5th and 8th term will be 105. That is our required answers. Now coming forward to the question number 3. In question number 3, for a sequence that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, the table of 3, find the next two terms. As we all know that the table of 3, so next two terms will be 18 and 21. Part 2, find the formula for the given sequence. This is a sequence of table 3, so we just, if we multiply n with 3, that is 3n will be its formula. So Tn is equal to 3n. For checking, first term we put 1 instead of n, so 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. Now final part, 105th term of this sequence. So we put the value of 105 for n. 3 multiply with 105, what we get? 315. This is our required answers. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me in comments. Thank you for watching.